Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with one of my favorite days of the month. I have the Magical Mystery Bead Box from Jesse James Beads. I have peeked at this one, but it's been a while. So let's take a look. It's called Howdy Howdy Howdy, which is super duper cute, especially since I'm in the Southwest. Long live cowgirls, a lot of horse stuff going on. And then they have a what's inside, and you can check them out at jessejamesbeads.com. So this is the Love Live Cowboys strand. I'm going to take the plastic off. I'm not going to take the plastic off because it's not coming off. All right. So it's got some silver beads. Oh, I really like that heart. I didn't see that heart before. That's super cute. Some magnesite, some faceted magnesite. I like the metal on here a lot. You know, this is my favorite color. So that's super cute. We've got the Yeehaw Yeehaw clasp set. You know, I always like clasps. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we've got 2 toggles and a magnetic clasp. I'm not the hugest fan of magnetic clasps just because I tend to have heavier jewelry because I like big chunky beads, and that doesn't really coordinate well with magnetic clasps. Not saying that this is a weak clasp, I'm just saying with my big chunky jewelry, most of the time I go for toggles or lobsters. And then we've got a cute gold toggle and a little curly cute toggle. Next we have these boots were made for dancing, leather cord. And I open this stuff up so you don't have to if you like keeping your stuff brand new. For the most part, I open these up. That's such pretty leather. It's gorgeous. And it's double-sided. It's beautiful. I don't know what I'll be making with that. Next, I have Cowgirl Spirit. And this is a Charm and Link assortment. All right, let's see what we got here. This is nice. That's a nice charm set. Those would be gorgeous earrings. Then we've got 2, oh, there's 3 of those, okay. Then we have 2 steer heads, cow skulls, 2 triangle pieces. Maybe they look like mountains. And then more triangles, but in gold. Sorry if that's, I'm hoping that was in screen because I was not looking at my screen. I was looking at my hands. So in case they weren't, we've got these pieces. That's nice. I really like these. These are my favorite out of this mix. We have some, I think this is the Wild Heart chain. It's just paperclip chain in gold. I think the name's a little misleading. I would love to see some heart chain, but I love paperclip chain. It's just the name is a little different to me. And we also have some desert flower chain. This is cute. It's got some star-shaped flowers. You know I love chain. Jesse James Beads does a great chain. If you look at their site, they have tons of cool chain. And then we have 2 bead mixes. So we had strand, 2 bead mixes, and everything else was kind of like chain and components. All right, so this is the Howdy 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 mini bead mix. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, so we have some little orange drops. I really like the orange that they chose to use. Let's have an AB finish on them. We have some bead caps, some frosted crystal rondelles, some cute little ivory acrylic flowers. I love these. I've always loved those. I have tons of them. These have holes in them. The ones I have are just cabochons. Some little faux suede tassels. Some yellow cubes. Some little red crystals. the finish on them. These are like coated beads. This is the one that I really don't understand because they just don't, they're not that cute to me. And you can't love every bead. I guess I've tried, but I don't like these. They look Christmassy. I don't really see any other green or red in this entire mix except for these. And these actually like go with the theme. I don't know. They're just not my favorite. You can't love everything, I guess. And then we have some tiny little drucks that have an AB finish on them. We have some turquoise chips. I don't know if these are magnesite or howlite. Some crystal rondelle spacers. Some regular spacers. Cute, I like those. And some orange crystal rondelles. I like these too. Oh, and then some champagne crystal rondelles. Which are pretty. I think that's it for this mix. I do like the mix with the exception of that one bead. And then last but not least, we have this Wranglers and Rodeos Design Element bead mix. Okay, so I love these diamonds. They're like pale jade color glass. I do like these. These are coated again. That helps keep the cost down, but I do like the color on these at least. We have some blue stone beads. Don't know if that's magnesite or howlite. And then we've got some turquoise stone beads, so probably magnesite. Some matte and shiny crystal orbs, like those a lot. 2 oval coins, super sparkly. Love these. Love how detailed these are. Super southwestern looking with the silver and the scroll work. Some cute bead caps with a flower on them. 2 like ivory crystals. Some turquoise rectangles, which are really pretty. And we've got some large hole silver spacers. 2 like oval flat. These are cool. I like these. I like how they feel. They're smooth. And we have a cow skull. Super cute. Well, I love this mix. I did like the box. I would say it's funny because it's Southwestern and turquoise, which are 2 of my absolute favorite things. It's not my favorite box ever from Jessie James Beads, and there's just one reason. It just seemed really component heavy instead of bead heavy, and we love a bead box. There was 2 different types of chain, some charms and some leather and some clasps, but there was 1 strand and 2 mixes. Now I know that seems like a lot. It is a lot of stuff. Last month we got like 4 or 5 bead mixes. so I think that's where I'm coming from. It's a pretty mix. It's just we can't love them all like the same. So this one, I like it. I don't love it. And I feel so bad because that sounds negative, but it's not. Like, I like it. I do like it. And I love the color. But anyway, let me know what you think. Is this your favorite one of the year? I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Stay tuned for Goldie, and you can check out Jessie James Beads for the Magical Mystery Bead Box. All that information is in the description below. Have a good day. Bye-bye.